maximum recommended distance for RG6 coaxial cable for cable television signals is typically 1000 feet or 305 meters. Beyond this distance, signal loss and interference can become significant, especially at higher frequencies. The maximum recommended distance for CATV Ethernet cable is 328 feet or 100 meters for 100 base TX, which is fast Ethernet, and 550 feet or 170 meters for 1000 base T, which is gigabit Ethernet. Beyond these distances, signal quality and speed may degrade. Now, considering the scenario where some of the home runs approach 220 feet, the following considerations apply. Firstly, for cable television, or RG6 220 feet exceeds the recommended maximum distance by 120 feet. Signal loss and interference are likely to be noticeable, especially for high-definition channels. Secondly, for Ethernet, or CAT5 220 feet is within the recommended maximum distance for both fast Ethernet and gigabit Ethernet. However, longer runs may still experience some signal degradation, especially for gigabit Ethernet. To address the potential issues with 220-foot runs, here are some recommendations. For cable television or RG6, firstly, consider using a higher quality RG6 cable, such as RG6 Quad Shield, which offers better shielding and lower signal loss. Secondly, use an active amplifier to boost the signal at the end of the run. For Ethernet or CAT5, firstly, use CAT6 or CAT6 Ethernet cable if possible, as they have better performance over longer distances. Secondly, consider using an Ethernet switch with gigabit ports to extend the reach of the network without signal loss. Here are some additional tips. Firstly, avoid sharp bends or kinks in the cables. Secondly, use proper cable management techniques to keep the cables organized and free from interference. Thirdly, test the cables with a cable tester to verify signal quality and ensure proper connections.